So, you've got a nice website, and your ranking is up there on Google. But is your search result attracting as many people as it should? Perhaps a different headline or description might tempt more visitors to click through to you. Up till now, there was no way to tell. But with Predikkta, you can find out what makes people click. You could work out the optimum combination of headline, description, and URL that will maximize your click-through rate, easily and accurately. Utilizing powerful Nobel Prize-winning mathematics, our clever algorithm can test an infinite number of combinations with up to 99% accuracy. With just a few sample questions, our patented technology can analyze the preference patterns of just a handful of people and give results that would normally require a poll of thousands. All you have to do is fill in the options and share the link. Predikkta, taking the guesswork out of Google.